Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the COUGAR FV270 RGB MidTower E-ATX case, a stunning piece of hardware that combines impressive aesthetics with top-notch functionality. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. From its support for 420mm GPUs to built-in ARGB PWM fans, this case is designed to meet the needs of both hardcore gamers and PC enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details. Design and build quality. The COUGAR FV270 RGB MidTower E-ATX case is a visual masterpiece. Its sleek design is complemented by the Prism of Light RGB lighting, which creates a captivating display. The case features a unique breathe streams design that not only looks great, but also enhances airflow. The build quality is solid, with sturdy materials ensuring durability. Interior layout and compatibility. Inside, the FV270 offers ample space for your components. It supports E-ATX motherboards and can accommodate GPUs up to 420mm, making it perfect for high-end builds. The case's spacious interior ensures easy installation and excellent cable management, keeping your build clean and efficient. Cooling and airflow. One of the standout features of this case is its built-in RGB PWM fans. These fans not only provide impressive cooling performance but also add a splash of color to your build. The case includes a robust RGB hub, allowing you to synchronize your lighting setup with ease. Additionally, the filter guard keeps dust out, ensuring your components stay clean and cool. Connectivity and expansion. The FV270 is designed with modern connectivity in mind. It includes multiple USB ports, including Type-C, for easy access to your peripherals. The case also offers ample drive bays for both SSDs and HDDs, providing plenty of storage options for your build. Build experience. Building in the COUGAR FV270 is a breeze. The case's spacious interior and well-thought-out design make component installation straightforward. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your components, making it easy to show off your build. The integrated RGB hub and PWM fan controller simplify lighting and cooling management. Aesthetics. The Prism of Light RGB lighting is truly the highlight of this case. It creates a dynamic and mesmerizing effect, making your build stand out. The breathe streams design enhances this effect, creating a visually stunning display. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a workstation, the FV270 adds a touch of elegance and flair. Conclusion. To sum it up, the COUGAR FV270 RGB MidTower E-ATX case is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC with a focus on aesthetics. Its spacious interior, impressive cooling options, and stunning RGB lighting make it a top contender in the mid-tower case market. Call to action. If you're ready to elevate your build with the COUGAR FV270, check out the link in the description for the best price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech updates.